Here we are over in Rotherham this afternoon. Just finished a nice Starlink installation on a big house. Here we installed the Starlink, 9x9 galvanised bracket, wired down in Cat 6 cable, right the way along the black brickwork, nice and tidy. In through the mortar line there, which takes us into a little comms cupboard just on the other side of this door here. In there sits the Starlink router, a main deco and a power unit, which we've then backhauled out back up to the mast, where sits a point-to-point system which beams full speed right the way across his garden to that point, to the other end of the point-to-point, the receiver. From here we have wired out along the guttering, down behind the downspout here, nice and tidy job, and in. This enables him to have full speed at the end of his garden, in his gym, and it also acts as an access point to cover his whole garden space with full speeds. This is Aaron, professional Starlink installation.